alhamdulillah, we shifted already our new kitchen. Around 1 o'clock, my husband, he transfer already this stove here. And there is hole. Yan, yun yung hole o yung hose. At saka ito naman yung tangke. Ayan, yung tangke. But until now, there is still no exhaust fan here because there is still no, what you call this, yung saksakan ng exhaust fan. So, ito yung exhaust fan o iyan. So today, I cook red kidney beans, and first, my recipe for today in my new kitchen is red kidney beans. So before I cook this red kidney beans, first I boil over that by using this wood. Ayan, so today is July 13 and today is Saturday, and time now in Pakistan is 1:30 p.m. And 1 o'clock, my husband, he transferred his stove here so that I can cook. I can start to cook now here. Ayan. So, ayan, maganda ang weather ngayon. It's a pleasant day. Ayan. And then, ito naman yung aking carpet dito. Ito ay itong carpet ay, this is already old because this, I think more than 2 to 5 years ago, they used this one downstairs. And then my husband, he keep this one up and we wash by brush, and then we put also in, when there is raining, so we put this one in over there. And then ito naman yung center carpet ay luma na din ito. So alhamdulillah, may carpet na din. For the meantime, we use carpet because still there is no time to put tiles here. But it's okay, alhamdulillah. So ayan, ito yung aking carpet dito sa aking kitchen. And this is, I started already to use container here in our sink. Ayan. Ayan, luto na ang aking menu for today. And today is mag 1:45 p.m. na. So, ayun, nagluluto ako ng kanin doon. Doon sa kahoy doon. Yun. Makikita nyo yung doon, yung kaserola na ginagamit ko. Ayan, labas tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung aking kitchen dito. Ayan. So, turn off na natin ito kasi luto na ito. Kasi binoil ko doon sa labas. And it's already soft, this red kidney beans. Just I cook, fry garlic, onions, tomatoes, and put masala here. Then I put this boiled, soft boiled red kidney beans. So just 5 minutes I cook in this pressure cooker. Now we have to turn off the flame. Ayan. I put already carpet here in our new kitchen with center carpet. But this is still not new. But alhamdulillah, we can keep this one for the meantime. This carpet. And today we shifted here in our new kitchen. Today is July 13 and today is Saturday, and time now in Pakistan is 1:45 p.m. Ito yung red kidney beans. Ayan. Tapos nakasaing na din ako ng kanin. kasali na rin ito for our dinner. Lunch at saka dinner. Itong ulam namin. At saka merong extra kahapon na nagluto ako ng beef curry with rice. So, ito yung bahaw. Ito yung kakainin ko for lunch. Ayan. Kain tayo ng lunch. Ito na yung yung red kidney beans with my homemade pickles na red at saka green chilies dessert na mangga. Ayan, kain tayo ng lunch.